Welcome back to BikeReview Pro, where every episode focuses on clear and detailed motorcycle analysis. Today's script breaks down the 2026 Honda XR650L Red Edition, a model that continues Honda's tradition of durable dual sport engineering. This version maintains the XR's rugged identity while embracing subtle enhancements that keep it relevant for modern adventure riders. Overview of the 2026 Honda XR650L Red Edition. The XR650L has stood as one of Honda's longest-running dual-sport motorcycles, admired for its dependability, simplicity, and ability to withstand harsh terrain. The 2026 Red Edition maintains this legacy with refreshed red bodywork and minor ergonomic refinements. Honda keeps the formula intentionally simple: a tough, air-cooled engine, long travel suspension, and a chassis built for real-world exploration. For riders who value mechanical honesty over electronics-heavy machines, the XR650L remains a trustworthy choice. The Red Edition highlights the classic Honda aesthetic, giving the bike a bold and unmistakable presence. It stands out both on the trail and city streets while staying true to its roots as a utilitarian dual-sport machine. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 XR650L Red Edition is Honda's time-tested 6044C air-cooled single-cylinder engine, known for its reliability and sustained torque delivery. Air cooling keeps the design simple, removes the need for radiators or complex hoses, and ensures the engine remains easy to maintain even after years of use. The motor's low-end torque is its strongest attribute, making it ideal for steep climbs, technical off-road sections, and challenging riding environments. Mid-range power remains stable and consistent, supporting highway speeds without strain. Though not the most powerful in the dual sport category, the XR650L excels by offering predictable and manageable performance across various terrains. A wide ratio 5-speed transmission complements the engine's character, providing enough flexibility for both off-road control and on-road cruising. Gear changes are smooth and practical, allowing riders to adapt quickly to shifting terrain. Chassis and frame construction. The backbone of the XR650L Red Edition is a tubular steel frame, engineered for high durability and flexibility under stress. This frame design has endured unchanged for years because it continues to perform reliably in conditions that would challenge more fragile or electronic, heavy adventure bikes. Honda keeps the geometry balanced to deliver stability on the road and agility off the pavement. The frame's strength is a major reason why the XR650L has remained a favorite among riders who push their machines into remote or rugged landscapes. The 2026 model benefits from subtle strengthening in key areas, helping reduce vibrations and improving long-term structural endurance. Suspension and handling. Long travel suspension continues to be a major advantage of the XR650L. The front fork absorbs hits from rocks, ruts, and jumps, while providing enough dampening for long-distance comfort. At the rear, Honda's Pro-Link suspension system balances impact absorption with controlled rebound, giving the bike stable footing even in challenging technical terrain. The suspension tuning supports off-road capability without compromising highway stability. Riders can transition from pavement to loose gravel or dirt trails without needing constant adjustments. High ground clearance adds to the bike's confidence over obstacles and rough surfaces, making the XR650L a reliable companion for adventurous riding. Braking and wheels. The XR650L Red Edition features a front disc brake paired with a rear disc, offering consistent stopping power across different surfaces. Though the braking system doesn't include complex electronic assistance, the mechanical feel remains direct and predictable, preferred by riders who like full control. The classic dual sport wheel setup, 21-inch front and 18-inch rear, provides strong traction and stability in off-road conditions. These wheels navigate deep ruts, loose sand, and rocky paths with ease while still offering smooth performance on paved roads. Dual sport tires round out the system, balancing off-road grip with street stability. Ergonomics and comfort. Honda has refined the ergonomics of the 2026 XR650L Red Edition to support long riding sessions and demanding terrain. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and neutral foot peg placement help maintain rider balance whether seated or standing. The seat height remains tall, serving off-road performance by improving ground clearance. While shorter riders may find the height challenging, the position works well for experienced dual sport riders who require room to maneuver over obstacles. The seat offers improved padding for extended journeys, making multi-hour rides more comfortable. Wind protection stays minimal, consistent with the bike's dual sport character. The slim red bodywork enhances movement and control, especially when transitioning between sitting and standing during off-road riding. Aesthetic and Red Edition styling. The 2026 XR650L Red Edition stands out with its deep red finish, contrasting graphics and updated trim details. The bold red color enhances the bike's rugged personality and reinforces its Honda lineage. The frame, fenders, and tank design reflect the timeless XR aesthetic while adding a refreshed, modern appearance. The graphics package emphasizes sharp edges and a more aggressive stance. Riders who value a clean but striking look will appreciate how the Red Edition maintains simplicity without appearing outdated. Technology and equipment. Staying true to its philosophy, the XR650L Red Edition offers minimal electronics, focusing instead on mechanical reliability. The instrument cluster remains straightforward, displaying essential riding information without unnecessary complexity. LED lighting improves visibility and energy efficiency while withstanding off-road impacts better than older bulb systems. Honda's extensive aftermarket ecosystem continues to support XR650L owners with customizable luggage racks, skid plates, handguards, and touring accessories. Off-road capability. The XR650L excels off-road thanks to its torquey engine, durable chassis, and long travel suspension. It can navigate steep hills, loose rocks, mud, and uneven terrain without difficulty. The lightweight feel and large, diameter wheels allow quick directional changes in technical areas, giving riders confidence in unpredictable environments. The simplicity of the power delivery enhances control. Whether cruising over desert trails or navigating forest paths, the XR650L handles varying conditions with ease and consistency. Daily use and practicality. Beyond its off-road abilities, the XR650L Red Edition is practical for daily travel. Its fuel efficiency is respectable for a 650cc engine, and its maintenance remains simple and cost-effective. The strong frame and dependable motor make it a reliable companion for long commutes or extended touring adventures. The bike's versatility allows riders to use it for errands during the week and trail riding on the weekend, with no concern for complex repairs or delicate components. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda XR650L Red Edition remains a true dual sport classic, rugged, reliable, and built for real exploration. Its combination of proven engineering, comfortable ergonomics, and bold red styling ensures it continues to appeal to adventure riders who value strength and simplicity. Whether tackling demanding trails or navigating city streets, the XR650L Red Edition stands as one of Honda's most dependable offerings. If you want more scripts for upcoming 2026 models or variations of this one, feel free to ask.